Is your Rogers account locked? Don't worry, it's a common security measure often triggered by multiple failed login attempts, suspicious activity, or even unpaid bills. This video will guide you through the steps to regain access. First, let's understand why this happens. Rogers, like other telecoms, has strengthened security due to recent data breaches. This means stricter identity verification is now standard. We'll cover password resets, managing two-factor authentication, 2FA, and identity verification, all designed to protect your account. Remember, procedures can change, so always double-check on the official Rogers website for the latest instructions. Start with password reset. Go to rogers.com or use the My Rogers app. The process includes CAPTCHA and IP verification to prevent automated attacks. Next, if you have 2FA issues, Rogers now primarily uses app-based 2FA like Google Authenticator or Authy. If locked out of your 2FA, you'll need a backup recovery code or identity verification. Finally, for identity verification, Rogers may require you to submit a government-issued ID, driver's license or passport, via their secure portal, or even a live chat or video call. Be patient and follow their instructions carefully. If issues persist, contact Rogers support directly for personalized assistance.